Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making the kitchen. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So let's crack on. We're going to create a cube. It's going to be 4 meters by 4 meters by 2.5. That's our kitchen. Nice cheeky little kitchen, but a nice kitchen all the same. Right, let's just make sure our little fella there is in. There we go. Now the units, I'm going to create a cube. We're going to, Z is 0.72, so 720 mil high. The X is 0.5 and the Y is 0.56. Let's just G on the Y, let's bring that over there. Okay, and then we also, what we need to do, so that's the height of the unit. We also need a plinth, so we're going to duplicate, Shift D on the Z, and the height is 0.15. So it's 150 mil for the plinth. So we just need to make sure our units are that on that far from the floor, like so. So then we can just duplicate. We don't need that plinth. Shift duplicate on the X. So we're going to take a few units along there. We're also going to shift duplicate on the X. And then we need to rotate Z 90. And then that's going to go on that wall. We're just going to bring all those along, like so. And then shift duplicate on the Y. So we're going to just create some units all the way along. Well, not all the way along, but along there. And then obviously what will happen is shift duplicate on the Z is there'll be a little worktop. So Z will be 0.05, so that'll be like about 50 mil. So that'll sit on the top there. Shift duplicate on the X. Rotate Z 90. And then that will be the height, the full height of our units, which kind of fall in line with our little man, our little figure there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take the kitchen, and then we're going to do a couple of loop cuts because we're going to put a window in. We're going to put in about there, and then a couple of loop cuts, and then bring it, maybe we should have it like centered. Something like that. And then hit number 3 and remove that one. Face, hit number 2 so we can select edges. And then what we're going to do is extrude on the X. So it's like the kitchen windows, the window sill. So we're happy with that. I am going to bring in my, if I can find it, the fridge freezer, got the toaster, we'll just have to find it, and then they're going to go into the GX over in the corner. I mean, I don't know where it's going to go yet, but for now it's going in the corner like that. Probably, maybe we need to scale it up a bit to make it at least, that's it, that's better. So we've got our fridge freezer in there, we've got our units, we've got our plinths. This one we can just move across, rotate Z90, says our plinths. That'll obviously just go all the way along there. Obviously it won't be a block. I'm just quickly doing this just to block it up a little bit. And then obviously that will be the same. Just take that one over, right over there. Take that one up to that one. Like so. That could do with coming down into there. And then we can have shift duplicate on the Z. Oh, on the Z. So we'll have a unit up here. Maybe we'll... Oh, actually we could probably... Would we go direct from there? No, because we probably wouldn't be able to reach it. Shift duplicate on the X. Shift duplicate on the X. Shift duplicate on the X. So we've got some units there. We also need to change one of these into maybe a washing machine, or actually maybe we could have the washing machine over here. So we'll just change that. We'll edit that. Edit face. And then just move that to the end there. This one, edit the face, just bring it across. And then here, maybe we'll have, I think a washing machine would probably need to go near the sink, wouldn't it? Because we'd have the waste pipes that go in there. So maybe the washing machine will be one of these. Over here, what could we have in our... maybe we could have a shift duplicate X, a wine rack kind of thing. So this one's going to be like a wine rack. So what we could do is, just for quickness, just give it a loop cut here, so in the center, a loop cut, maybe something like that, but we would have to make that a bit thinner, I think. A bit thinner still. Whoops. Oh, there we go. Something like that. Okay. And then you could just... Oh, we need to Control A, reset transforms, inset. Something like that. And then you could extrude on the Y, extrude on the Y. So then you can have your bottles in there, something like that. Let's just set the origin to geometry. Select that, and then just bring that out like that. So that's going to be our wine rack. Again, we'll have to drag that out on the end there. These are all going to be nice little cupboards. Sink is probably going to go there. Let's just select hierarchy and then move him sort of out of the way, because we've got all our heights now. So the sink will probably go here somewhere. Shift duplicate on the Z, scale, so be something like that. Maybe sink will be there. With a draining board. Oh, let's bring in our little cheeky little toaster as well. Bringing it all in the day. Let's just copy and paste. Oh, I think we need to scale that down. Maybe it needs to go over in the corner. Over here maybe. Let's just rotate on the Z. Do something like that. something like that. So that I'm quite happy with. And obviously if we need to put any more things in, let's just add a environment texture. We are going to go for an outdoorsy kind of one. Let me just find my HDRIs. And then I'm going to go for I've got a symmetrical garden. That will be nice. Let's just see what it looks like in the render after we've changed it to cycles. Okay, and then we can just crank that up. Let's put the noise on. Tell you what we do need to do. Let's see where the sun's shining. Because then what we can do is change shader editor, object world. I'm going to select that, Control T, and then on the Z we can rotate. See our little HDR moving in the background? We just need to find out where the sun can come through. Maybe we'll have a little play. Oh, we're getting there. And then maybe what we can do is rotate it on the Y. So the sun comes in. We're only doing it for the lighting. Oh, like that. Oh yes, that's looking good. We've got a little fridge freezer there. Let's turn that off. Turn that off. So we're looking a little bit pale there, but you know, the sun's coming in. We could change the colours of anything and everything. Maybe the units will have not green. Maybe that. Just to give it a little bit of colour in there. Obviously you can do whatever colours you like. I'm just really doing this to fill it out really, because in the next video, what have we got to do next? Oh, we'll have a microwave in here, so maybe we'll build a microwave. It's not really going to be too hard. Maybe the tops of the unit can be grey. Yeah, like that. Oh, we've got to do those units as well. Got to do those up there. What colour should we have the walls? Just to get out of this white zone, if you like. Let's tab. I know what we need to do is should we keep it safe and oh, I don't want to go green. Got something like that. That looks alright. Just differentiate. That's easy for you to say. It makes it a bit different. What we're going to do is Are we still in edit? No. We're going to select the top part. We're going to select the ceiling, create a new material, and that's just going to be white. And then the floor for now, I'm going to create a new material, and maybe we're going to go grey. Oh yeah, I like that. Oh, that's looking better already. Just with the different colours in there. Yeah. Oh, we've got to do that one as well. Our wine rack. And there we go. That's it for now. I'm really quite happy with that. Our little toaster's in there. Our little fridge freezer's in there. Where's our little bloke? Where's our bloke gone? Where did I put him? Oh, there he is. Select hierarchy. We want to G on the X. Whoop. There's our little dude waiting for his toast to be made. Yes. There we go. He's waiting for his Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. So don't forget to follow along, subscribe to the channel. And we will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Ta-da.